Bluebells in England are a sight to behold, transforming forests and woodlands into a sea of vibrant blue hues. These enchanting flowers typically bloom during the spring months, from late April to early May. One of the most enchanting sights in England during spring is the stunning display of bluebells that carpet the woodlands. Among the many picturesque locations to witness this natural spectacle, Ashridge Estate in Hertfordshire stands out as a top choice for nature lovers and travel enthusiasts alike. As you wander through the ancient forest paths, the delicate bluebells create a magical ambience, transporting you to a realm of tranquility and beauty. The vibrant hues of blue contrasted against the lush greenery make for a truly mesmerizing experience, perfect for capturing unforgettable moments and reconnecting with the wonders of the natural world. Nestled within the stunning grounds of Blickling Estate in Norfolk, you will find a mesmerizing display of delicate bluebells. As you wander through the enchanting woodland paths, the vibrant hues of blue will captivate your senses, creating a serene and picturesque setting. The Blickling Estate not only offers a feast for the eyes with its breathtaking bluebells, but also provides a rich historical experience with its grand mansion, beautiful gardens, and peaceful lake. Nestled within the picturesque Chiltern Hills, Bluebell Woods is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. As you wander through the enchanting woodland, you'll be greeted by a sea of vibrant bluebells carpeting the forest floor, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of the delicate flowers, and the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy above casts a magical glow over everything it touches. Nature enthusiasts and photographers alike will find themselves captivated by the beauty and tranquility of this natural wonder. Visitors to Bluebell Woods can take leisurely strolls along winding pathways, listen to the symphony of birdsong, and perhaps even spot a deer or two darting gracefully between the trees. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or simply want to reconnect with the beauty of the natural world, Bluebell Woods offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The best time to visit England to witness the breathtaking display of bluebells is usually around mid to late April, when they are in full bloom.